YNAB or You Need a Budget. This isn't about another budgeting app. YNAB is a system that actually teaches you how to manage your money, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and take control of your finances for good. In this video, I'm breaking down how the YNAB website works, what features it offers, and whether or not it's worth the price. So let's get right into it. First of all, what is YNAB? YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it's both philosophy and powerful budgeting tool. Unlike typical budgeting apps that just track your spending, YNAB teaches you to plan every dollar you earn with the goal of giving your money a job. It works on four key rules, which I'll explain shortly, but first let me show you around the site. Okay, first we need to log into YNAB website. Let me log in first. If you don't have an account, just sign up for today. For signing up, you just need to give your email address and password and then just click on sign up. Okay, on the left, you have your budget categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and at the top you'll see total available amount. You can add your bank account here so that you will see your exact amount here. I haven't added anything yet. So YNAB system is built around four powerful rules. These aren't just tips, they are a budget mindset. So give every dollar a job. Plan where every dollar goes before you spend it. And the next one, embrace your true expenses. Break big bills into monthly chunks so you're ready for them. And third one is roll with the punches. It's okay to adjust your budget if things change. And the fourth one is age your money. The goal is to use money you earned last month to pay for this month's expenses. These rules help you escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle and finally feel like you're in the control. There are four key features. Bank syncing, you can securely connect your accounts to transactions update automatically. And goal tracking, want to save for vacation or pay off a credit card, you can set up specific goals and track them. And there is another option for mobile app integration. The mobile app is clean and lets you enter expenses on the go. Scheduled transactions, plan recurring payments like rent, and YNAB gives you a beautiful visual insights into where your money is going each month. And is YNAB worth the price? Now let's look at cost. YNAB isn't free. It's about 14.99 USD per month if you are going for monthly plan, and if you're going for an annual plan, you're going to save $70 off of it. So it's going to cost you like 9.08 USD per month. So it's going to cost you, but here's the thing. YNAB users save on average $600 in their first 2 months and over $6,000 in the first year. If you stick with it, the system more than pays for itself, especially if you're someone who struggles with overspending. And another key feature in this website is education center and free resources. One thing I love is YNAB's learning sections. They don't just give you tools, they teach you how to use them. You'll find free live workshops, tutorials, blog articles, and even a YouTube channel packed with tips. Whether you are new to budgeting or just want to level up, there's something for everyone. As with any website, there are pros and cons for this. Pros are excellent budgeting philosophy, great user interface, bank syncing and goal tracking, strong education content, and truly helps break the paycheck to paycheck cycle. And the cons include no free plan after 34-day trial and might feel a bit complex for beginners, and no bill pay feature. So it's not a replacement for full financial management tools. So who should be using YNAB? YNAB is perfect for people tired of living paycheck to paycheck, anyone trying to pay off debt, couples managing shared finances, freelancers with variable income, and if you're serious about getting control over your money, this tool can change your life. So that's YNAB in a nutshell. Not just a budgeting app, but a mindset shift. If you want to give it a try, there is a free 34-day trial, no credit card required. I have dropped the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment what budgeting tool you use. I've got more website reviews coming every week to help you save time, money, and stress.